Hey, good morning, everybody. Today, Everyday Adventures is off to something new. My mom used to make some really good homemade peach ice cream. So we are going to head off to Drumheller's Orchard, which is in Lovingston, Virginia, and grab some fresh peaches. And then we are going to try to recreate her recipe. Hopefully we'll nail it. So grab your coat. Let's get going. So we found the orchard, but they don't let you pick peaches. We could pick blackberries today, but we really wanted the peaches and we couldn't pick them, which we were hoping to do. So we just bought a bag and we'll use those to make the homemade peach ice cream. And we're just going to take off and head on to Charlottesville, which is about another half hour, and see what we can find to do there.
Well, let's try some Mission BBQ. Haven't had that in a while. Hey there, so our son lives outside of Nashville, Tennessee, and they have Mission BBQ, and we really enjoy it when we get to go. And we don't have one in Lynchburg, so we are in Charlottesville and decided that since we have one here, we are stopping in. So I got pulled pork sandwich with mac and cheese. Mac and cheese is really good. It's cheesy, kind of hometown flavor, and I got a Memphis sauce. And Doug got pulled pork sandwich with fries. And what do you think, Doug?
It's really good. The fries are real seasoned well. The bun is nice and fresh. The pork is good. It's going to be a good lunch.
All right. We highly recommend Mission BBQ. So I know that Doug already mentioned it, but this bun is so fresh. It's so good. The pork is cooked well, seasoned well. I had the Memphis sauce. It's really good. Apparently they have an Alabama white sauce that Doug's gonna go and ask for, so we can give that a try. Our son recommended it. Mac and cheese, it was really good. I'm almost finished, but very cheesy. A little bit of a hint of heat to it. Got kind of that old-fashioned country crumble on the top. It was really good. So we tried the white sauce, not our favorite, but it might be yours. It's really tangy. So overall thoughts, Doug?
It was good. It's as good as we remembered it. The white sauce was not our favorite, but the barbecue was good, and the buns was probably one of the best buns we've had in a long time.
If you're ever near a Mission BBQ, stop by, and hey, if you're listening, Mission BBQ, Lynchburg, Virginia needs one. So another place we don't have home is Duck Donuts, and while we are in Charlottesville, we thought we'd take advantage of that as well. Here we go. Check out their social distancing markers. They're duck feet.
So here's the summer flavors, and the way it works is you pick out your donut toppings, and these are some that are already kind of pre-made up, and they'll make it fresh for you.
Hey, so here's our freshly made donuts. Doug got a bacon in the sun, which is maple glazed bacon, and I got peach pie. Since we are looking at making some homemade peach ice cream, I thought, well, let's make get a peach pie donut. So it's got vanilla icing, peaches, cinnamon crumble, and some caramel glaze. We'll let you know how they are. All right, so here goes peach pie. That's delicious. It's a vanilla cake donut. The icing's good. The peaches are really sweet and tart at the same time. And I love the crumble and a little bit of caramel. Really good donut. Well, that didn't take long. And they are so good when they are warm. So if you are near Duck Donuts or happen to be traveling somewhere that has them, make sure you stop in and give them a try. It's so good. I realized that maybe these last two things, the Mission BBQ and the Duck Donuts, seem like really ordinary things, but hey, it's the middle of a pandemic and we're quarantined, and so we're doing what we can. So thanks for joining us as we enjoyed some Mission BBQ and some Duck Donuts. Hey, good morning and welcome to our kitchen. We actually picked up the peaches on our little excursion a few days ago, but peaches weren't quite ripe enough to make ice cream and to make it well. So we just gave them a few days to rest, and I'm going to gather everything that we need for the ice cream, and we'll get back together in a few. Hey, so I skinned the peaches
gave them a quick rough chop, and I have them in the food processor. I'm just going to pulse them a little bit so that hopefully we will get a nice consistency for the ice cream. So truly just a few pulses until we get them broken down. And I think that should do it. All right, so we're ready to put everything in, and my mom's been gone. She passed away about 10 years ago, so I don't have an exact recipe, but I do know that it's very similar to her strawberry ice cream recipe, so I'm hoping the numbers are the same. I've already put in 1 large can of evaporated milk. She also used a small can, but as luck would have it, Kroger's didn't have small cans, so I got another large, and I'm going to use about half of it. 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Got 2 cups of sugar. Sounds like a lot, but it's ice cream. It's supposed to be sweet. Peaches, after I pureed them, we've got about 1.5 cups. And that was about 7 whole peaches. And we need a can of sweetened condensed milk. And my mom always said use Eagle brand, but again, Kroger's did not have any Eagle brand yesterday. I guess everybody else is making ice cream, so we just got Kroger brand. And then we're just gonna fill this up to the marking line that says, or the fill line on the container, and we'll get ready to start churning a little bit. So Doug's putting in ice and rock salt. He's just gonna layer ice, rock salt, ice, rock salt. And I will tell you that I went back and gave it a taste test. I added 1/2 cup of sugar and another tablespoon of vanilla, and I'll put the recipe in the description. All right, so we'll pull this critter out here, let some of that ice cream run off, and there we've got some homemade peach ice cream. We're gonna scoop it up and see how it tastes. And you should, in your comments below, leave for us your favorite flavor of ice cream. Maybe we'll try to change up this recipe sometime and give it a whirl with your favorite flavor. So scoop her up, give it a taste, and then we're just gonna put the rest of it in this container and freeze it for later. Here goes. It's good. It's very peachy. It's sweet, but it does have a lot of sugar in it. Reminds me of Mom. Thanks for watching today. If you'll make sure that you hit that subscribe button and share. And again, tell us what your favorite flavor is. Maybe we'll give it a whirl. Have a great day. Take care of yourself and take care of others.